friends, Ryan Dohrn here, and I want to share with you how excited I am to be asked to complete a Level 2 training program for all of you that are members of the IFPA. Now, let me just be straight with you, and you know that's how I am. If I was to come to your office and teach you these classes, okay, this is 5 hours of training that we recorded, coming to your office, it's $3,500. So you're going to be able to get access to basically the same information at pennies on the dollar. Now, a lot of you went through Level 1. Awesome. Hope you enjoyed it. Level 2, brand new information. Nothing to be repeated. 5 hours of training online. You can watch it yourself or share the link with your team, but you want to get access to it right away. All right, what are we going to cover? We're going to cover 10 secrets to landing more meetings. You need more meetings, right? I'm going to share with you my 10 main secrets. I'm going to give you the 6 most common objections you get out on the street. I've got no money. Money's all spent. Have too much business. Everybody knows me. We're going to cover the top 6. I'm going to give you the exact reply that I use to overcome those objections. We're going to talk about proposals. I'm going to show you some examples of proposals. You can download the templates. You can put them into action right away. We're going to talk about your D factor. What makes you different than other media in the market, and how do you sell it? We're going to talk about digital and how to sell digital better. That's a big part of what we're going to talk about in Level 2. And then one of my most famous classes that I teach, one of my favorites, and people love it, 20 tested subject lines. I'm going to tell you the 20 subject lines. I'm going to give you a copy of the 20 subject lines, and you're going to be able to use them in your sales life right away. All right, friends, for the money that you're going to spend, there's no way you could bring me into your office for this. So sit down, get this purchased, get it in front of your sales team, and put this into action. It is a wonderful, affordable investment brought to you by your friends over at IFPA. All right, friends, get her done, get online, and I'll see you out selling on the street using all these tips to make big money.